Hello everyone, this is Hitech Talk. So Instagram have added one more new feature, that is you can add up to 60 seconds stories without splitting them into 15 seconds. So I will show you in my mobile screen how to get and use this feature. So this is my Instagram account. If you like, you can follow me. So first of all, you need to update your Instagram application. Then after that, uh, how it was before, whenever we were selecting a story and like this is a 50th seconds, then it was splitting into each of 15 seconds. But now after updating your application, like I will show you here. So when I will select that video here, story, it's 50th seconds, so it will be in a single story. It will not split this video into a 15 seconds. So first of all, you need to update your Instagram application, and if this is not available for you currently, then you have to wait it. Soon this will be available for everyone. I hope this video was useful for you. Thank you.